20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas out 20 nautical miles. Galveston Bay, Matagorda Bay. Waters from Freeport to Matagorda Ship Channel, Texas from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rollover Pass to Galveston 344 to near Matagorda Ship Channel, moving south at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Tats Buoy F, Galveston A122, Hill Bank, Matagorda Ship Channel, Tats Buoy B, Brazos 439, Matagorda Island 557, Galveston 282, High Island 157, High Island A131, Tats Buoy West, Galveston Causeway, High Island 63, High Island A410, High Island A179, Christmas Bay, Brazos B133, East Galveston Bay, Brazos 400, and West Bay. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.